guess we have to make a decision on which level we are talking about. Do we talk about individual level, company level, societal level? So that depends. I start with the societal level. I guess the first what we have to do is we need much more a brighter view of future of work. When we think about all right now, particularly what we have discussed here in the session about artificial intelligence, it was much more about a best scenario in a way that we are replacing people, for example, just moving in less jobs, for example, in that way. So that we need first on societal level a better idea of the future of work and how we can communicate and get the society on the way of that. On company level, what we need there is absolutely important. That shows every case we got to have good examples so the people and the executives understand what is a beneficial outcome of new technology, no matter it's everything of digital technologies or artificial intelligence technologies, etc. So on. Good cases, good examples that helps the company to communicate, to collaborate with the employees, to bring them on board on the way of the digitalization. On the individual level, I guess, we are facing different things. If we are, I would say, have a job that's with a high level of routine tasks, then it's necessary to think it's really very hard to hold on this job. Then it's an personal transition necessary because these jobs, particular routine jobs, are very, very critical and crucial to get automated. I guess for research, there are two questions as well, very important. The first question is, I think, that we have to get much more closer from I would say, a scientific perspective, how to design workplaces, work processes with technologies, particularly with software developer, though that the software enables the people and not restricting the people. So that means all is in between software development and I would say service scientists or organizational scientists, etc. So that the software is really designed in a way that employees has the opportunity to control the results and the decisions of a software and not be controlled in a way I've just to execute it. The second point, we have seen in many application fields and with many companies that it's hard, particularly for SMEs, to find the starting point. That means when we are talking, for example, what we are doing in the last 2-3 years, what is a good starting point for implementing artificial intelligence? Where is the best starting point? And every CEO is telling me, Walter, where we start? Then we can start, for example, in simple cases, like compliance management, for example, because everybody understands what is compliance. So, or in customer relationship management issues. It's more complicated when you go into product innovation, for example, when you go more in a shop floor innovation, for example. So to collect good cases, for example, and find a good starting point that you can fix very quickly a good solution that helps to expand this way on the digitalization. You see, we call it tool scenario and automation scenario, right? That's very familiar scenarios for the future. Automation scenario means the machine is saying what to do and you have to follow. You are just executing the task. Is this our desirable world we want to live in the future as a human being? I guess not. Though that means the tool scenario is a desirable opportunity, but the tool scenario only in that way that we have really a good idea how to design this tool, as I mentioned before. But this is the way we have to think about it.